Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change product key in Windows 11. So firstly click on start. Now guys, click on this gear icon for settings. Now guys, in this system, scroll down and click on activation. Now here you will see activation state, and also guys you can change product key, so just click on change. Enter a product key. So guys, you have to enter your new product key, then click on next. Your product key should be in an email from whoever sold or distribute Windows to you, or on the box the Windows DVD or USB came in. So enter and click on next. So like this guys, you can change product key in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.